Right guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your Hisense TV. So sometimes with the prolonged use of this kind of TV, it can become kind of slow, okay? And sometimes you might want to actually restart it, and simply turning it off will not work with your remote control. What you need to do is you need to go down right here to the center of your Hisense TV, and you'll find this LED sensor right here. Okay, it's now not flashing, not doing anything right now, but behind it you'll also find right here a small tiny button. If you try to press it once, you will find that on the left side of your screen this menu appears. Okay, what you need to do, you need to click 1, 2, 3 a couple of times to go, kind of blinking, all the way to the down to find the power off setting, and then press and hold. Press and hold when you find it, and now keep pressing and then release. You will notice that what happens is this LED light will give you either a white light or a red light. It will depend on the model of your Hisense TV. Okay, now give your TV a couple of seconds, preferably 10-20 seconds, to remain in this idling position. Okay, and then try to turn it on by holding the button just as well. Not simply clicking, but holding, okay? And now look at your screen. That's the simple way of how you restart your Hisense TV. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.